Yeah, I used to, but I don't anymore. I've never been.
Well, hello everyone. Thanks for joining us aboard the Carillon
I've
Park
been told
Railroad.
that. I have friends
To
who
ensure an enjoyable ride, please stay seated with your hands, arms, legs, and heads inside the coach at all times. And please, watch your children. Pulling us on our journey today is the Jane Ellen. She is based on one of the first locomotives to pull passengers into Dayton in 1851. That year marked the beginning of rapid travel for Daytonians by rail. Much faster than the Miami River, the Miami Erie Canal, or the National Road, steam-powered rail officially connected Dayton with the rest of the world. And steam largely powered Dayton's industrial growth. Dayton would become known as the city of 1,000 factories.
That's why I'm really hesitant up there. There's just some changes always. Yeah, that's why I like these islands better. Sometimes it's really easy to get on.
You know, Carillon Park is inventor country, so keep an eye out for Charles Kettering, James Ray, Margaret Andrew, James Parsons, and Wilbur Wright, just to name a few. All these inventions led at the start of the 20th century to Dayton being issued more patents per capita than any other region in the country. You can see many of them right here in Carillon Historical Park. As we steam on along our route, we're now pulling alongside an original remnant of the Miami Erie Canal. This 248-mile-long engineered waterway once connected the Ohio River with Lake Erie. Much as the canal propelled Dayton's growth, so did the National Road, and the numerous railroad lines running in and out of Dayton in every direction of the compass. Well, speaking of railroads, let's keep steaming ahead.
Well, that is fun. That thing is fun. I don't know. It is a little rough, but it is fun. I like it. I ride it every time I go.
Say, with all this talk about transportation, have you ever wondered where we'd be without practical aviation? Well, the most original of all surviving Wright brother airplanes is the 1905 Wright Flag Bomber. It's up ahead in the Wright Brothers National Museum. A four-building complex dedicated to railroad Norfolk, our hometown heroes. From humble beginnings, these two brothers worked, saved, struggled, and with determination put everything at risk to solve for the world the mystery of modern flight. You might keep listening for the majestic Deeds Carillon, Ohio's largest at 151 feet tall and 57 bells. It tolls on the quarter hour and plays quick concerts throughout the day. It stands as a tribute to Colonel Edward A. Deeds, co-founder of Delco, former president of the National Cash Register Company, and among many other achievements, Carillon Park founder.
Oh no, yeah, no.
The final leg of our journey will take us past the Carillon Brewery, a working exhibit involving fire, grain, water, and hops. Speaking of, it's just a short hop back to our Kettering Family Education Center, where you'll find Paul's Cafe, our museum store, and even more stories of your favorite regional entrepreneurs and inventors. Thank you for joining this grand circle tour of Carillon Historical Park. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us, and we'll come back to see us again real soon. Now please stay in your seat till we come to a full stop, and remember to gather all your belongings before stepping carefully from the train.
Oh yeah, I've seen videos of it. That thing is crazy.
Yeah. First off, you don't know she's cracking it.